6. I'm gonna update you guys as I read it. So far, the part 2. Checking in on Nightingale. I am currently on chapter 16, page 218. So far, I am liking it. I haven't cried yet, so I don't know what that means. I don't know if any of you guys cried at this point, but so far I'm loving it. We're getting the background on the sisters, and I'm guessing it's the sister. I don't know. I can't tell which sister it is. Actually, I'm pretty sure it is Isabel telling the story.
No. Shut the f- Oh my god, shut up. Shut the fuck up. Oh my god. Shut up. Oh my gosh, that movie is so good. 6 stars. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. I don't even realize that it's 500 and something pages, almost 600 pages. Like, this story is so beautifully written. 6 stars.